in the shop is a Mark 6 GTI. David claims this is the worst wheel bearing he's ever heard. Go it up. So what you're gonna do is put a stethoscope, like that one, on the steering knuckle here. I've never heard a noise that loud. Take off the wheel, take the caliper and carrier off, remove the rotor, push the axle out from there, and remove the wheel bearing. Normally, a wheel bearing that's that noisy would actually be loose. This one is not loose, it's actually binding when you turn it. You can see it kind of jerks a little bit, pretty weird. Normally, the one that's that noisy would be very different.